Just a little thing. Bernard Pierce, Cameron Wake, Victor Cruz, Jermichael Finley, rookie Kobe Hamilton, don't even know who that is, Kobe, and rookie impact, different Prizm, Tyrann Mathieu. And I've been told, oh my god, it's not numbered, so I don't even have to look at the back. Cajun Breaker bashing me. Giovanni Bernard. It's just a different refractor. Isn't that right? Andrew Luck base. Chris Johnson base. James Jones. He was there, then he's gone, now he's back again. Eli Manning base. Josh Morgan. Rookie card, Jonathan Cyprian. Y'all decide. I'm not sure. And DeAndre Hopkins. Rookie card. Fake rookie card. Okay. Emmanuel Sanders. Lance Moore. Gotta pop that break cherry, son. Isaiah Pede. DeMarcus Ware. And we have got a... Oh, there was a secret card behind it. Hold on. Secret card stuck to it. Rookie card, Mike Gillislee. And it's actually, oh, that's cool. Nick Toon. I say it's cool because I'm a Saints fan. Nick Toon auto. It's black. It is, oh, sorry, it's actually not numbered. No number on it. Just a base Nick Toon auto. Not bad. Since they got rid of my man crush Colston. And then it is Aaron Dobson. Who dat? Shit. No. I'm good. I'm good. Terrell Suggs. Tom Brady. Jaquiz Rogers. Vernon Davis. Rookie Aaron Mellett. Tavon Austin. And Monday Night Heroes, Chris Harris. What were the autos, like Cajun Breaker, what were the autos last time you did Prizm? It was Ryan Nassib and Chris Thompson. Demaryius Thomas. So compared to that, Ryan Tannehill and Nick Toon's not bad. T.Y. Hilton. Aaron Rodgers, Pierre Garçon, Antonio Holmes, Dennis Johnson, and Deion Jordan. Like I said, I'm looking into doing playbook, one box breaks, random teams. That's what I'm looking into doing. But obviously, right now we just have the funds to do one box breaks. So if there's a baseball product that you're interested in, shoot it in chat or shoot me an IM, and I can look into it as well, so we can you know, diversify. Vic Ballard, Jacoby Ford, Clay Matthews. Obviously, the older years are easier for me to get my hands on. Carson Palmer, just because we're not an actual store. Sam Montgomery. And then we've got Brilliance Prizm, Russell Wilson. Yeah, but I would think at the Monte Ball, I would think at the price that I would have to pay for Donruss baseball, just for a box, I would have to sell random teams or for auction. Oh shit! Just cut my mouse pad for such a high price. I would think, don't you? Because I wouldn't be paying distributor costs. Brian Hartline. I did. I saw that chicken relic auto. 10 out of 10. Trent Richardson with a patch. Roddy White. Frank Gore. Oh, that's not bad, actually. Darren Sproles. Who dat? Rookie DJ Fluker. Keenan Allen. It's not bad. Would you rather do it? This is just your opinion. I'm not saying I'm going to follow your opinion. But just to get feedback, would you rather do, if I was to put it up for X amount of dollars per random team, or would you prefer it be an auction per team? My concern about being a beginning breaker is it not certain teams not selling, and that's why I would do the random. But I'm up to opinions. Antonio Cromartie. Owen Davis. Jamal Charles. Jay Cutler. Jawan Jameson. Rookie. Stedman Bailey. And Monday Night Heroes, Navarro Bowman. Why don't you buy it for me, Dave? I'll sell it for you. We'll split the profit. You can send it to me. Random would be the way to go. Make sure you get all. See, that's what I was thinking. That would be the best way to do it. Because then you could list it for 7 days. Kenny Britt. Especially if I'm only doing 1 or 2 boxes a night. 2 nights a week. Ray Rice. Keem Nicks. I got you. That's right. Michael Crabtree. Well, if you send me a box of anything, make sure you specify sell it for me. Marcus Colston. Anything I receive in the mail that has no notes. Oh, sorry guys. Kenny Stills. And rookie Aaron Dobson. If it has no notes, I consider it a gift. Alright, 2 packs left. I think we've already hit the 2 autos, so unless we get lucky, or hit some low numbered something, not to be depressing. Oh, sorry, make sure this. Okay. Plexico Burris. Wes Welker for the Broncos. Josh Freeman, recently cut. Alshon Jeffrey. David Wilson. I was using him as an example of running backs that fell off the face of the earth. Luke Jokel, just the other day. Looking for a tie dye. That's what I'm talking about. Marcus Wheaton. This is it. Me. Give it some love. Let me get a drink. Alright. You'll see that this is Knight's Lance. I'm going to throw it in the trash. So I'll make sure that we all see that this is not a points card. Last pack mojo. Dustin Keller. Oh, come on. It's very selective about when it zooms in. Antonio Brown. Peyton Manning. Daryl Richardson. Yeah, I just didn't want someone to come back and look and be like, oh, that looked like Panini points, and then, you know, me have to, just want to be glad that I showed it. Oh, didn't even look at it. Chance Warmack, rookie card. And Brilliance, just a different refractor. Rob Gronkowski. Mr. Robert. Not numbered, but what you gonna do? And here's another one of these Knight's Law trash. So instead of giving us Panini points, Panini decided to give us trash. Alright, so the hits were, had a Plexico Burris Gold out of 10, 4 out of 10. Had a Nick Toon. Zoom. Oh, you can see that it says Nick Toon. There we go. Look at that. Perfection. Nick Toon auto. And Ryan Tannehill auto. Non-numbered. Non-numbered. So not awful. Okay. Gonna do a couple more drawings. Hopefully we actually get someone in the chat this time. I'm just gonna move all these base cards. I can move the base cards off camera, right? I don't care. Well, I mean, I've already showed you all the cards, so I can take all cards off camera because I've done it. It's happened. All right, let's see. Yeah, bud, hold on just a sec. I'm gonna do a little drawing for you. Hope I can get you something. Doesn't work. All right. We are going to roll. You think we re-roll Snake Eyes? 11 times. We won the last one. Ant's dad. We're going to take him out. We're going to take Ant's dad out so that y'all all have a chance to get it's not like a Odell auto or anything. All right, we're going to randomize 11 times. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I'm going to take, on 11, I'm going to take number 1 on top, last one on the bottom. If it's not the same person, then I'll go up one from the bottom. So I'm going to draw 2 names, one from the top, one from the bottom. If it's the same, we'll just go up till we get something different. So I'm going to draw 2 total. So we got Cajun Breaker 2 and Darren. I don't think Darren is in the break. So Cajun Breaker 2, pick a number 1 through 20. 1 through 20. $14. Alright, let me roll the dice for him real quick and see what he gets. Wait, can you just do a number? Random number? Oh yeah, I remember I did that stupid listed it out to oh, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I do that 11 times. This is for Darren. I'm doing it 11 times. That's the number card you'll get in the stack. I have them in just a random order of the stack. I don't even know what they're in. Okay, that was 10, 11. Number is 3. So you're going to get the third card off the top of the stack. Third card off the top of the stack. Oop. Hope I win that Romo. I want the Cooks. Take the Cooks or Romo. The Cooks is displayed right above me in a beautiful fashion in a frame. Tis all his mighty. On my saint shrine. He's not in the bag of goodies. Alright, let's see if I can take him out without spilling them or taking them out of order. Yep, thanks, buddy. Put that in the bag. Not that y'all care, it's a drawing. Alright, so let's count them down from the top. 1, 2, 3. So this goes to Darren. It's Antonio Freeman signature. Auto. It's not a rookie card, is it? No. So that's going to go to Darren. And then you said 14, so that was 3. Wait, yeah, that was 3. So this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So gold, totally certified Marion Grice. Out rookie card. 1 out of 25. It'll be hard for you to see. 1 out of 25. Marion Grice, gold, totally certified rookie card. Going out to Cajun Breaker 2. You're welcome, bud. That's it, guys. I'll post something as soon as I know when I will be doing my next break. It will be on a Wednesday. When I know what the product is, I will. I could have got this sweet graded Blake. I don't know what this sweet graded Blake Sims on it. I've seen guys that have done 1,000 breaks have a horrible time. This one really. Thank you, bud. Thank you very much. Appreciate y'all's patience. Thank y'all for paying on time, and hope to see you wonderful gentlemen again. And for those of you, if you want to recap, or if you aren't, well, I guess I'm saying this to nobody because they're not here. But I'm gonna upload it to YouTube straight from here. So, and I just realized I did not record that entire break. Oh, never mind. It'll be on. I can pull it from Vaughn. Okay. I was about to say, I almost panic attack. I didn't record it on my streaming program that I run, so I was about to almost just shit myself. But no, I could pull it from Vaughn. So, thank you guys. Sounds like my wife just broke something. See you, bud.